Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness on your Key Light Neo from ELGATO. So you can do it in two different methods, either by adjusting this knob manually. Now it has turned off the light. It sometimes does that, but I think it's like the problem with my cable, that it doesn't support enough power or something, because it should work. But yeah, never mind that for a moment. You can also do it through the control center. Now it has disappeared, but it should be here. You could just, adjust the brightness like that. And if this knob doesn't adjust the brightness, it's because you can click on it to switch between brightness changing mode or warmth changing mode. You can see I can make it warmer. I don't know if it's visible on camera, but now it's much warmer. It's like orange. And now it's like very cold. So this is how you can change it. And if you click on it again, now it goes to brightness changing mode. And I hope this video was helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.